How to change incoming call screen on Android. First, open the phone app on your device. After opening it, look at the bottom right corner and tap the Settings gear icon. If you don't see the gear icon, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and then select Settings. Once the Settings page opens, scroll through the options and look for Caller ID and Display or Call Screen Settings, then tap on it to open it. After opening it, you'll see different call screen options and layouts. Select the option that matches your preference. You can choose the style you want for your incoming calls and apply the changes. That's it. Your incoming call screen will now be changed successfully, and the new style will appear whenever someone calls you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.